Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna vlog. I don't really have many plans, but I decided I wanted to go to a thrift store, and then I also have to go to the bank and just run some errands. So I'm just gonna take y'all along with me. I am sitting in my driveway about to leave, but I really wish that like you could see how my camera is set up right now. It is taped and it looks so ratchet. It's like taped to my radio. It's actually really funny. Okay, so I'm filming with my phone, so I can't have my phone to play music, so I'm trying to go find some music on the radio, and there's absolutely nothing. Like, this music is either really old or crap, I don't know.
Got you feeling like Toronto. Make your body rise like you're puffing on a joint, though. No, that's only if you want, though. Ready? So get in, baby, let me fill it up, fill it up. Oh, girl, it's your birthday. That's what you call a flip. 10 keys from a car to brick. Gently from him, mama with K.O.D. He hard to shoot. This is what you call a flip. 10 keys from a car to brick. Bentley from him, mama with K.O.D. He hard to shoot.
Oh my gosh, the car is going so freaking slow. Traffic is honestly awful where I live, and I hate driving because of it. First stop is the bank. What is wrong with my hair today? Good. I just want to cash this. Alright, the bank is done, and now on to the thrift store. I totally forgot the song existed. I love Florence and the Machine. I just went in this place called Style Encore, and it's like a consignment place, and they have really good stuff, but they're like really picky about what they choose whenever you're trying to sell something to them. Like, I brought in a Tommy Hilfiger purse, and I think I maybe carried it for like a month. It really had like no damage, but they only gave me $4 for it, which, whatever, better than nothing, because I need to clean out my closet anyways since I'm going to college soon. But still, it kind of stinks that I only got $4. But I did get some cute stuff. I'll show y'all. Okay, I got this cute little like straw. It reminds me of the beach. Like clutch thing. I don't know. It's really cute. And this was only $9. And even though it's a clutch and I don't really carry clutches around, I'm going to make it work because I think it's really cute. And I've been wanting something like this. Also, I got this Nike light pink like workout skirt. This lighting is so bad, sorry, there's all these shadows. It's really sunny here, but it's cute. It's like a just casual workout skirt, and I don't really have a workout skirt. How many times can I say skirt in 2 seconds? But it was $14, whatever. It was really comfortable and cute, and I can wear it to the gym, or I'm one of those people who wears athletic clothes even if they're not going to the gym, so I'll probably wear this a lot. And then lastly, I got this cute dress, and actually I think I may wear it to one day of Rush because I'm going through recruitment at Auburn, and it's really cute. It's like two-tone, I can't show you all the way because I'm in the car, but it's like two-tone denim like that, super cute, and that was only $11. So I think I did pretty good. Now I'm going to Chick-fil-A because I'm really craving one of their lemonades because they have the best lemonade. Well, I was about to say on this planet, but Toomer's lemonade in Auburn does not beat anything. It's the best. So, second best lemonade. This song is so overplayed, but I like it. My hand looks so huge. Bad angle. My hand looks humongous. Have a good one. That worker saw that I had my camera taped up like this, and he probably thought I was psychotic. Got my lemonade. I got my sister one too. Alright. Well, I was gonna say this is kind of gonna be a mukbang, whatever you wanna say, but it's kind of not because I don't even have food. I just have lemonade. This lighting, it's so backlit. Whatever. Anyways, trying to think about what's going on in my life right now. Well, I just got back from New Orleans. Went with my family. It was really fun. Bourbon Street was cool. A little crazy. It was definitely a sight to see. And then, so like I said, I leave for college in about 3 weeks-ish, a little less than that. So I feel like I'm running around crazy trying to finish getting everything for my dorm and for sorority stuff, like when I rush. And so that's been kind of crazy. But it's actually really fun because decorating my room, I love doing that kind of thing. So me and my roommate are having fun with that. But I'm really thankful for her because she's really easygoing and we both have the same style, so it hasn't been hard to decorate or anything. But yeah, so good. Love. I don't really have much more going on the rest of this week besides nannying, because I nanny these really sweet kids. So I'll be doing that, and that's really it. This was a really short mukbang. I'm realizing how much I need to clean my car, but it'll happen sometime. That's really it. I think I'm gonna go home now because I need to help my mom start dinner before she gets home. But yeah. Okay, so it's a few days later, and I ended up going to Plato's Closet too the day that I filmed the clips before this, but I didn't end up filming going to Plato's Closet, but I only got one thing and I wanted to show y'all what it was. It's kind of gonna be hard to show. Okay, it's long sleeve and it's like so dark gray that it's almost black, and it has buttons. It's a jumpsuit, like, and it cinches at the waist, and it's just really long, like pants basically. But I don't know, it kind of gives me janitor vibes, but in a good way. I don't really know. I think it could be really cute with like definitely some high shoes, like not flats, but and some really cute like gold jewelry or something. I wanted to talk about thrift shopping and consignment shopping because some people like put a bad rap on it because like around where I live, like everyone has like designer stuff and everything, but I think it's awesome to shop at thrift stores and consignment places because most of the time consignment places sell really nice things anyways because they're really picky about what they take, and it's better for the environment to buy secondhand because not as many clothes are being made over and over again, and things go out of style so fast that like a lot of people just have random clothes sitting around, and like what's out of style for one person may be in style for you, if that makes sense. Plus, buying clothes at thrift stores or consignment stores can also be really good because you could find like really unique pieces that not a lot of people have, which I personally like because I don't love matching with people, but I don't know, I just think it's really cool. And obviously it's not gross because unless it has gross stains or anything, which most consignment places do not take stuff with like that are gross, like they inspect all of it and stuff, but and most of their stores do too, but you still have to look out for that. But all you do is just wash it when you get home, and if you're really that scared, you can wash it a few times and it doesn't really matter. Most of the time it's nice anyways. Basically, shopping that way saves you money, it's better for the environment, and you can just look cooler because you could have something that no one else has, and then if someone asks you where you got something, and you'll be like, well, you can't get it because I don't really know where it actually came from. You can also find some pieces at thrift stores that you can like recreate and DIY, which I don't do too much of because I'm not amazing in it, but I have seen so many YouTube videos redoing some different clothing pieces, and they like can turn out really cool if you like. There's just so many videos out there, just go search them. You can like redesign a whole thing and make it however you want. Like you can literally turn like pants into a top or add like diamonds or mesh or other fabrics. I don't know. I'm not really good at this, but yeah, it's really cool because you can kind of make it your own. So I'm about to go to the gym and I just really quick wanted to film this. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.